Students, today we are going to continue the lesson An Astrologer's Day, R.K. Narayan. This was the last passage of this lesson. In this passage, before this passage, we discussed that the astrologer suggests the person to leave that town and to leave that town and never travel southward again because there was a danger to his life, and if he do so, he will live to be 100 year. Okay, we discuss about this now. On page number 6, we we discuss that why should I leave home again. He asked question, why should I leave home again? The other said, reflectively, thoughtfully. Reflectively का meaning होता है thoughtfully. I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. Okay, when astrologer suggest him to go away from that town, then he asked question, why should he leave that home again? Because he was only going away now and then to look for him. To look for him, it means in search of the person who pushed a knife into his stomach. Okay, or tried to kill him. Okay, he want to meet him. He shook his he shook his head regretfully. uh, sorry, एक second. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hand. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Okay. ओके, ही हैज एस्केप माई हैंड. ही शुक हिज हेड रिग्रेटफुली. उसने अपना अपना सर हिलाया और बोला कि ही हैज एस्केप माई हिज हैंड. Okay, the person who tried to kill him, he was escaped from his hand, and he was hoped that at least he died as his deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear him. Gratified, that is pleased. Okay, when he heard the words of astrologer that he was crushed under a lorry, he looked gratified to hear it. Okay, उसे खुशी हुई कि वो जो जिसने वो पर्सन को मारने की कोशिश की थी, किल करने की कोशिश की थी, वो खुद एक लॉरी के नीचे आके उसका वो मर चुका था. ये सुन के उसे अच्छा, इसका मतलब कि उसकी उसकी मौत पे जिस तरह से वो मरा था उस पे वो खुश था. ही वॉज सेटिस्फाइड टू हियर इट. ओके, the place was deserted by the time astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. Obviously, person had gone from the place, and the place was deserted by the time, and astrologer again bundled up all his articles and put them into his bag. Now the green shaft was also gone, and leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving astrologer a handful coin. Obviously, the stranger, the person, gave astrologer handful of coins as they decided, and he had also gone off, and astrologer collected all his things, all his articles, put them into his bag. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. Obviously, it was the time of midnight when astrologer reached at home. Obviously, his wife was waiting for him at the door, but as he come to the house, his wife also demanded an explanation why he was late, and etc. and etc. He flung coins at her and said, count them. One man gave all that. He flung. उसने ऐसे इट इज़ द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ फ्लाई. ओके, तो उसने वो कॉइन्स उसकी तरफ फेंके, वाइफ की तरफ, और उसे कहा कि काउंट देम. वन मैन गेव ऑल दैट. हु वॉज दैट मैन? द पर्सन. ओके, देन she count that money, and she said 12.5 anna. She said, counting. She was overjoyed. Why? Because today, on that night, her husband got so much money, and that's why she become overjoyed. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. Now she decided that to buy some jaggery and coconut, because the child has been asking for sweet for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her. Okay, she want to make some sweet dish for her children, and because they have been asking for sweets for so many days, and 2 days there was so much money with them, that 12 and half annas. That's why she buy some jaggery and coconut, and want to make a special dish for her children. The swine has cheated me. He promised me a rupee, said the astrologer. She looked up at him. You look worried. What is wrong? But astrologer was in his thought. He was thinking something, and he uttered that swine, um, a person regretted by a speaker with disgust. ये एक तरह की काय म्हणू आपण त्याला, शिवी आहे, शिवी. ओके, त्यांनी शिवी देत म्हटलं की ही चिटेड मी अँड प्रॉमिस मी रुपी, बिकॉज द पर्सन had a promise to give him rupee if he become satisfied. But he give some handful coins to the astrologer. That's the astrologer said that the called him that swine, and he cheated him. She looked up at him. You look worried. What is wrong? You looked worried. She asked him, and asked him that what is wrong. Obviously he said that nothing. After after dinner, sitting on the pile, he told her, "Do you know, great load is gone from from me today. I thought I had the blood of man on my hands all these years. That was reason why I ran away from home, settled here, and married you. He is alive." Now, after dinner, there was a pile means a string cord. There was a string cord, and he sitting on that string cord. He said that he thought that his hands were blood of the man, but and because of this, he ran away from his home, his village, and settled in this town. And he would get married with her, and but the person was alive. She gasped. You tried to kill him. She gasped. Gasp means क्या कहेंगे, धास्तावने जैसे इसकी डेफिनेशन ऐसे की जा सकती है, इनहेल सडनली विथ माउथ ओपन आउट ऑफ पेन, है ना, दुःख के कारण असं या पद्धतनं. ओके, दीर्घ श्वास घेऊन सोडणे, सुस्कारा टाकणे. शी गास्ट, यू ट्राय टू किल हिम. Yes, in our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, grumbled, and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? Time to sleep, he said, yawning, and stretched himself on the pile. Now he was very satisfied that his hands were not blood of that man, and that's why he become very happy. And he told his wife that when he was a silly youngster, the person and himself drank, grumbled, and quarreled badly one day. And then there is a dash. It means he stopped that his discussion, and said his wife that we should not discuss on this point. Now it is time of sleeping, and that's why he yawning and stretched himself on the pile. Okay, do you understand? Here there is a question in last line, that is what was the load on the astrologer's mind. Yes, in our village, when I was silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? अब इसके बारे में हमें क्यों सोचना है? It's a time of sleeping. That's why he yawning and stretched himself on the pile. And here is the question: what was the load on the astrologer's mind? What do you think about this? क्या लोड होगा उसके माइंड पे? जैसे कि ऊपर के पैसेज में दिया गया है वैसे ही क्या कहेंगे कि द एस्ट्रोलॉजर थॉट दैट ही हैड किल्ड अ मैन आफ्टर quarrel. He was afraid that he would be arrested and jailed for his crime. Hence, he avoided this detection. He changed his appearance and his persona when he arrived in the city and started a business of astrologers. This was his load. That man was not killed by him. He was alive, and that's why the load. The we can say that he he becomes satisfied that there is no crime with his sorry there is no crime or with his hand, and he was safe. Okay, this was his thing. Okay, in last sorry at the last in next period we discuss about the grammatical sentences also. Today we stop here.